Hello students, welcome to practice set 3 tense. Watch the video, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon button, like and share. My motto is to send such type of questions to all the students. These questions are based on tense. It is very beneficial for almost all the students. So please share and subscribe the channel as soon as possible. So let's start practice set 3. Objective time multiple choice questions. Take the correct alternative. My brother is very kind hearted. मेरा भाई बहुत दयालु दिल वाला है. He often dash the poor. He often dash the poor. You can see that in the sentence there is the word often, and we know that if in the sentence the word often comes, then we usually use present indefinite tense. So which will be the right answer? Which will be the correct answer? A. Helps. B. Had helped. C. Is helping. D. Was helping. Which one? The answer will be A. My brother is very kind-hearted. He often helps the poor. Okay. Answer is A. The bell dash before I entered the class. You can see that in the sentence there is before, and after before in the subordinate clause there is past indefinite entered. So before in principal clause we shall use past perfect tense. So the right option will be had rung. The bell had rung before I entered the class. Or you can say that here there are two actions. One is the ringing of bell, and the second one is entering the class. And for past action, for earlier action, we use past perfect tense. And for the subsequent action, means the action that happens in the second place, is written in past indefinite. Okay, so the answer is had rung. The bell had rung before I entered the class. Next question 3. He usually dash at 7 o'clock in the morning. So in the sentence there is usually, and if in the sentence there is usually, we use present indefinite tense. So the right answer is gets up. He gets up. He usually gets up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Next question number 4. As I dashed to school yesterday, I met an old friend of mine. You can see that in the sentence there is yesterday. In the sentence there is yesterday. Okay. And in the principal clause there is past indefinite. In the principal clause there is past indefinite of verb meet. Okay. And as a subordinate conjunction, as has been used. If in the sentence there is as, and in the principal clause there is past indefinite, then we use past continuous tense in subordinate clause. So the answer will be as I was coming to school yesterday, I met an old friend of mine. Okay, the answer is was coming. Next question. Look, the policeman dash after the thief. You have already you have already known about this rule. If there is look, then we use present continuous tense. And here the subject is third person singular number. So the answer will be is running. Okay, the answer will be is running. The teacher had started the lesson before I dashed the class. In the sentence there is before, and before there is past perfect had plus verb ki third form. Then after before we shall use past indefinite. So the answer will be entered. Okay. So this type of question we have already discussed in question number 2. Okay. This is question number 2. You can see. Okay. Before we used past perfect because there was a past indefinite and after before. So here the sentence changed. So before there is past perfect. So after before we shall use past indefinite. So the answer is entered. Next question number 7. If you play the piano, I dash. It is if conditional clause. In the if conditional clause, if there is present indefinite in subordinate clause, then in principal clause we use shall, will or can plus first form of verb. So the answer will be will sing. This is will sing. WILL will, then sing, will sing. Okay. It has been written, but you can see that double L has been written as if it is H. So I wrote will. So the answer is will sing. Next question number 8. Every time he opens his mouth, every time he opens his mouth, he does something foolish. Every time he opens his mouth. So this is present indefinite. So in next clause we shall use present indefinite also. Every time he opens his mouth, he says something foolish. He says something foolish. ओके प्रत्येक बार वो अपना मुंह खोलता है तो वो कुछ ना कुछ फुलिश बातें कहता है. नेक्स्ट. डू यू नो दैट मैन हु डैश टू योर फादर. क्या तुम उस आदमी को जानते हो, क्या तुम उस आदमी को जानते हो जो तुम्हारे पिताजी के साथ बात कर रहे हैं. सो वी शैल यूज इज टॉकिंग. द आंसर इज टॉकिंग. After we dash our dinner, we went out for a walk. You can see that in the sentence there is after. We know that after we use past perfect. Okay, and in next clause there is past indefinite. So the answer will be after we had our dinner, we went out for a walk. This rule is like before. The opposite of before is after, so the rule is also opposite. But you can see that in after a sentence there are two actions. For earlier actions we use past perfect, and for the subsequent action we use past indefinite. Here the rule is same. Okay. For first action, for earlier action we use past perfect tense, and for the subsequent action we use past indefinite. Means फर्स्ट एक्शन के लिए हम पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस भरते हैं, और जो सेकंड एक्शन है मतलब दूसरे स्थान पर जो एक्शन होता है उसके लिए पास्ट इंडेफिनिट भरते हैं. सो द आंसर इज हैड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. ओके. ही डैश हिज ओल्ड पेरेंट्स येस्टरडे इन द विलेज. He dash his old parents yesterday in the village. In the sentence there is yesterday. if in the sentence there is yesterday, yesterday is adverb, okay, it shows past time. So if there is yesterday, then we use past indefinite tense, means second form of verb. So the answer will be visited. He visited his old parents yesterday in the village. Okay, next question. She often dash letters to her friend in England. Here there is often, so we use present indefinite tense. So the answer will be writes. She often writes. Is it clear? She often writes letters to her friend in England. Next question number 13. I dash my homework when Hari came to my house. In the sentence you can see that when. We know that after when there is a past indefinite. That means in subordinate clause there is past indefinite. In principal clause we use past continuous tense. Okay, so the answer will be was doing. I was doing my homework when Hari came to my house. Question number 14. He dash English for 2 hours yesterday. You can see that in the sentence there is yesterday. If in the sentence there is yesterday, we use past indefinite. Okay, and for positive sentence we use second form of verb. So the answer will be studied. Okay, the answer will be studied. Is it clear? He studied English for 2 hours yesterday. Question number 15. After the boys dash flowers, they ran away. So the rule is according to the after rule also here. No? After the boys dash flowers. So after the boys had plucked flowers, okay, they ran away. Because in principal clause there is past indefinite. So after we shall use past perfect. Question number 16. The general admitted that he dashed the battle. The general admitted that. You know that, आप जानते हैं कि that is connector, and before that if there is past indefinite, means second form of verb has been used to, then after that we shall use past perfect tense. So the answer will be had lost. Okay, the general admitted that he had lost the battle. If he before the connector that there is past indefinite, after that in subordinate clause we use past perfect tense. Next question number 17. They often dash for a picnic on Sundays. Here there is often, so we shall use present indefinite. They often go, because they third person plural number, so we shall use plural verb. Go is plural verb. They often go for a picnic on Sundays. Next, the horse would kick if you dash near it. So it is if conditional clause. In if conditional clause, if there is a should, would, could plus first form of verb in principal clause, then in subordinate clause we use past indefinite tense. Okay, so the answer will be went. You can see that in a way it is past, and the would is the past of will. So in a way we can say that is the past. So in subordinate clause we use past indefinite. Okay, next question number 19. We all dash geography when we were at school. So you can see that in the sentence there is the use of when, and after when there is past indefinite. After when there is past indefinite, so before when we can use past indefinite. So the answer will be studied. Okay, we all studied geography. हम सारे ज्योग्राफी पढ़ते थे when we were at school, जब हम स्कूल में थे. Question number 20. Mohan cut himself. Mohan cut himself while he dash. After while we use past continuous tense. After while we use past continuous tense. If before while there is past indefinite. Here cut is past indefinite. So after while we use past continuous tense. So what will be the answer? Was saving. Mohan cut himself while he was saving. Okay. Next question number 21. Why don't you go to the doctor? Why don't you go to the doctor if your finger dash? आप डॉक्टर के पास क्यों नहीं जाते हैं अगर आपके उंगली में खून बह रहा है? ओके, तो आफ्टर इफ we will use is bleeding. Why don't you go to the doctor if your finger is bleeding? ओके, अगर तुम्हारा उंगली में खून बह रहा है तो तुम डॉक्टर के पास क्यों नहीं जाते हो? डोंट गो आउट. डोंट गो आउट, बाहर मत जाओ या बाहर मत जाइए. इट डैश, इट इज रेनिंग, बाहर मत जाइए, बारिश हो रहा है. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हेनेवर शी कमिट्स ए मिस्टेक. व्हेनेवर शी कमिट्स ए मिस्टेक शी ग्लैडली डैश इट. जब कभी वह गलती करता है, जब कभी वह गलती करता है, वह खुशी से इसको स्वीकार कर लेता है. सो द आंसर विल बी एडमिट्स. सी इज थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर, सो वी शैल यूज प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनाइट टेंस. ओके, दैट मीन्स इन फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब वी शैल यूज एस, एडमिट्स. जब कभी वो गलती करता है वो स्वीकार कर लेता है. द रेगुलर टाइप सेंटेंस हो गया है. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. We had reached the station before the train dash. Here also there is before, and before there is past perfect. So after before we shall use past indefinite. So the answer will be arrived. We had reached the station before the train arrived. Okay, such type of questions have been discussed many times, okay, in this lecture. Question number 25. It began to rain just as we dashed the house. It began to rain just as we dashed the house. Here there is as, and before as there is past indefinite. If before as in principal clause there is past indefinite, then in subordinate clause we use past continuous tense. So the answer will be were leaving. It began to rain just as we were leaving the house. बारिश होना शुरू हो गया ठीक जैसे कि हम घर छोड़ रहे थे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Run fast, the train dash. So you know that if in the question there is run fast, we use present continuous tense. So run fast, the train is whistling. The train is whistling. Question number 27. She dashed to him about this matter before I did. She dashed to him about this matter before I did. उसने इस मैटर के बारे में उसको डैश कर चुका था बिफोर आई डिड, में उसको बताने से पहले. दैट मीन्स इन द सेंटेंस देयर इज बिफोर. ओके, आफ्टर बिफोर देयर इज पास्ट इंडेफिनिट, सो बिफोर देयर इज पास्ट परफेक्ट. She had tugged to him about this matter before I did. Next, usually I dash on holidays. In the sentence there is usually. If in the sentence there is usually, then we use present indefinite. So the answer will be don't work. Okay, usually I don't work on holidays. Question number 29. I dash my dog for a walk every morning before it died. So this question is somewhat mistake. Okay, so leave it. Okay, you know that in the sentence there is before, okay, and after before means in subordinate clause there is past indefinite. So before we use past perfect. Here such options has not been given, so I left this question. Okay, so don't try this. Next, question number 30. She dash to see me every day last week. She dash to see me every day last week. Here there is last week. If in the sentence there is last plus some word, any word, last month, last year, last morning, last week, like this, then we use past indefinite tense. So the answer will be she came. She came to see me every day last week. Next question number 31. They dashed the park when we reached there. They dashed the park when we reached there. So you can see in the sentence there is when, and after when there is past indefinite. If after when there is past indefinite, then before when, that means in principal clause we use past continuous tense, but in the sentence there is no option of past continuous tense. We also use past perfect. So the right answer is had left. They had left the park when we reached there. Next question number 32. I dash in the garden when he came. Here you can also see there is when. Okay, and after when there is past indefinite. So before when, either we shall use past continuous or past perfect. Okay, so the answer will be I was digging in the garden. When he came. मैं बाग में खुदाई कर रहा था जब वह आया या जब उसने आया. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 33. When we dash the field, the match had already started. When, in the sentence you can see there is when, and in principal clause there is had plus third form of verb. So in subordinate clause we shall use past indefinite. In past tense, after when means in subordinate clause we always use past indefinite. So the answer will be when we reached the field, the match had already started. Next question number 34. Okay, question number 34. She dashed tennis when I saw her. So in the sentence there is when, and after when there is past indefinite so. So before when, either we shall use past continuous tense or past perfect or past indefinite. So here there is no past perfect or past indefinite. So we shall use past continuous tense. She was playing tennis when I saw her. And 35, question number 35. It dash continuously for 3 hours. So you can see that in the question there is for plus time. We know that if in the sentence there is since or for plus time, then we use perfect continuous tense. Generally we use present perfect continuous tense, and in present perfect continuous tense we use have been or has been plus ing form of verb. So out of these 4 multiple choice questions, answer D consists of has been plus ing form of verb. That means present perfect continuous tense. So the answer will be D. It has been raining continuously for 3 hours. Okay. So in this video, this much only. Again I am telling that इस वीडियो को जन जन तक पहुंचाइए, ये सभी के काम में आने वाला है. और वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना ना भूलें. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन जल्द पहुँचे, इसलिए बेल आइकन दबाना भी ना भूलें। फॉर टुडे दिस मच ओनली। थैंक यू।